Thutha wa gweterera kunene kuma riria Kamiti ya bunge ya kuramata kigina kia muingi yarikire cikaro ciayo igithuthuria ungumania ruhonge-ini rwa mbeu njithi umuthi nitemanirie riboti yayo nyumba-ini ya iciriro. Kuringana na riboti ino, Ann Waiguru uria urahurana giturwa kia ugavana kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga na tigiti wa kiama kia Jubilee ndagiriirwo kurugamirira wabici yothe ya muingi.
Those found guilty are recommended for barring from holding public office and all specific punitive sanctions. Business persons were used in the scheme led by Ms. Josephine Kavura Irungu and Mr. Benson Gethi Wangoi.
Riboti ino niyendekithitie Waiguru athuthurio makiria mari na ekwirwo anene Benson Gethi, Josephine Kavura na uria wari munini wa murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge ruu Adan Harake. Makiaririria riboti ino, abunge kwa uingi na mamenereirie ngukumio ino kuria mabilioni ma mbeca cia muingi cianyuire kagera.
Initially, when the scam hit the media, the first instinct was to cover up, and that went on for quite some time. Then the next instinct was to vilify the committee as this was going on.
When we have sharks manning our resources, when we have people who doesn't care what the public are saying and start thinking of how he's going to be wealthy by the time he's exiting that seat.
Handu-ini hake mubunge wa Ugunja Opiyo Wandayi niamireirie riboti akiuga ndina gweta no wagiriirwo ni guthitangwo na oho amenereria bunge akiuga gicunje kinene kia bunge ni magunekire na kandarathi cia ruhonge ruu.
It's a very sad day indeed that Kenyans are discussing this report as a post-mortem, when the culprits and the beneficiaries of this massive scam are walking scot-free. We heard the other day none other than the deputy president admitting in public that Ann Waiguru was the mastermind of the NYS scandal.
Ngukumio ino yatuthukire gatagati-ini ka mwaka wa 2015 kuria mwikuro munene Josephine Kavura augire aheagwo kandarathi cia ngungo ni Ann Waiguru ari minister.